Hey all, just a bit of a disclaimer. These are trying times. People are sick and in financial distress. The world is in turmoil. In no way do we want to make light of these problems that are out there. We just want to provide a tiny bit of entertainment for you. We're all in this together. We wish you all the best. Stay safe and God bless. And with that, we at Budget Outlaws hope you enjoy the video. Well, I heard there was this virus going around, the car owners 2020 virus. Apparently with all the car events shut down, this virus causes the cars to get a bit restless. So far we've been able to keep them restrained, but I don't know how long it's going to last. Well, hopefully this fun little video helped you take your mind away from what's going on right now. I know it did for us. If you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, please let us know in the comment section. Hey, take this time to reconnect with family, friends, and neighbors, even if it's at a distance. Thanks again and stay safe.